We in focus? How's everybody doing? It's been a while since I've talked on the camera and been back on YouTube. I wanted to create a different style of video that I've never made before. And reason being is a lot of people come up to me and they say, Jordan, can you really make money off of YouTube? And the answer is yes. You can make a lot of money on YouTube.
Yes! That's awesome!
You can really earn a sustainable living off of being a YouTuber these days, and it's crazy to think about, and it's hard for certain people to grasp, especially some of the older generation. They kind of look at you like, all right, that's a fun side thing you do, but like, what's your real job? You know, how do you really make money? And I'm going to be open and transparent about me, just a guy with less than 10,000 subscribers, and show you numbers that I've generated on my YouTube channel. And it might help you have a better understanding about people that have 50,000 subscribers, 100,000, 500,000, a million that post consecutively, that have thousands of views per video. You're making a lot of money. So the way you start making money on YouTube is YouTube set up 2 marks you have to hit. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to have 4,000 hours of your videos watched. Once you hit those 2 things, you're able to monetize your videos.
Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on! Ah!
Once you hit those markers, YouTube, Google will start putting ads on your videos. At the beginning, middle, end, side, wherever, and based on the amount of views you get on those ads, clicks, you get revenue from YouTube. Technically, I guess it's Google, but you make money. And based on those ads that play on your videos, YouTubers make 55%. And YouTube keeps 45%. Sounds like a lot, but you know, if you're generating a lot of views, you're still getting a lot of money. So I had a video that hit 1 million views. Actually, right now it's up to 1.6 million, which is insane because my other videos have like a couple hundred or 1,000 views. But when your videos start making money, there's what's called a CPM, which means cost per milli. I guess. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I guess milli is the French word for 1,000. Basically what it means is how much money you are making per 1,000 views. So right now I'm going to show you on my 30 days of no alcohol video, which is the video that got over 1 million views, and I'm going to blur this out so you don't see right now, but I will show you a little bit later on. Right now my CPM is $10.87. That fluctuates. Sometimes it's $7. I've seen it be up to $14 before. So that's not something that stays the same all the time. So right now, my channel has 2.2 million views in total, which just one video alone has 1.6 million. So like I said, it's crazy. My watch time hours are 161.7 thousand hours, which is... that's crazy. I have 8.9 thousand subscribers, which is pretty cool. I'm hoping to hit 10,000 by spring. So if you're watching this and not subscribed, please subscribe. So one of the main reasons I'm making this video is just to, you know, share a little bit of education for people that don't really know much about the YouTube analytics, that are interested in being a content creator, or that are just curious. Do people really make money on YouTube? A lot of people think you have to be like a David Dobrik or a Logan Paul to make a living, and there is so many people out there right now treating YouTube as a full-time job and earning a sustainable living solely doing just content creating. That's the world that we're in now, and it's crazy, but it's happening. Another thing is once you start getting a bigger fan base, subscribers, once your channel starts growing and people out there start to see it, you can then start to get sponsors, brand deals, get paid to make specific videos or review a product. Affiliate marketing is huge in how a lot of people make money. So YouTube is not just the only avenue of revenue you can create, especially if you become more successful and have 500,000 or more subscribers. Those people are generating a lot of money on their YouTube and getting paid from sponsors and brand deals and all kinds of things. So you're freaking like killing it. You're making a lot of money. If you can just put in the time and effort that it takes to create content, then you can do it yourself too. Anybody can. So a while back, I decided I wanted to start doing some challenges with myself. I was doing a couple, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to document one of them. And that ended up being 30 days of not drinking alcohol. I wanted to see how it affected me, my wallet, my social life, and different things like that. I just documented my month, cut it all together, edited it, posted it on YouTube, and nothing happened. A couple months went by, nothing happened. Then I don't know what really happened, but out of nowhere, boom, it just started gaining traffic. Then one day I got an email from a company called Unilad. It was like, is this really real? Emailed back and exchanged a couple emails. I went to the Facebook and I realized Unilad is a legit media company that has 42 million likes. They shared my video on their Facebook page, which got over 500,000 views right there, and generated a lot of people over to my YouTube channel to watch that video. So then it just kept growing and growing and growing. In July of this past summer, it hit 1 million views. So I'm going to show you right now what I made from the day I posted that video until July when it hit 1 million views. And I know the exact date because I screenshotted it on my phone because I was really excited about it. I didn't even realize you could do this now, but you can go in and do customized dates and apply. At this point, people had watched this video just over 1 million times, 83,000 hours watched, and I made $5,677.51 just off that one video. That's incredible. So if I can make that off of one single video, just imagine YouTubers like Mr. Beast that post consecutively and get 50 million views per video. Like, it's just absolutely insane. So right now, I'm going to show you what I've made to date on that video. Where's it at? Since upload. $9,036.52 off of one video. I just filmed myself not drinking for 30 days, posted it. Never did I imagine that I was going to generate $9,000 off of one video. If that's not enough inspiration to start cranking out videos left and right, then I don't know what is. Alright, so let's just say hypothetically, I get on my grind and I start posting consecutively, and just one of my videos a month generates 1 million views. Just one video a month. If you take what I've made, $5,677.51 on 1 million views, and I times that, $5,677 times 12 months out of the year, I would make $68,124 in a year. I'm just going to do a quick Google search right here. Currently, I live in South Carolina. The average household income is $71,700. I just showed you $68,000. So, yes, you can make a sustainable living. And that was just one video a month. Imagine posting weekly videos that generate that amount of views. You're making 6 figures easy. And that's just YouTube, like I said. Some people get brand deals for $20,000 a deal. If you really wanted to kick ass and work hard and try and find what your niche is and post content that gets a lot of views, do it. That is my goal for this next year. So if this video helped you out at all, awesome. Or if it didn't, I'm sorry. Please like, subscribe, follow me. I'm going to be posting a lot more throughout this year. I'm actually doing a couple challenges right now that I'm documenting. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out.